Hello, Aurora. Todd Brewer, your Deputy Director of Water Quality and Treatment, and we're kind of going through a series of posts this week commemorating the 50th anniversary of the Safe Drinking Water Act. If you had a chance to see yesterday's post, we talked a little bit about the events that happened that led to the creation of the EPA and the passage of the Safe Drinking Water Act into law now 50 years ago. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about, briefly, the science behind the Safe Drinking Water Act and why drinking water is regulated the way it is. Generally, we have two major classifications of risk with drinking water. One is an acute risk. Think microbial pathogens, things that we could get exposed to that could make us sick in a very short amount of time. Or chronic risk. Maybe these are different types of chemical contaminants that over long periods of time may cause an increased risk to our health. So the Safe Drinking Water Act takes all of that into account in the way that it regulates our drinking water. We use the multiple barrier treatment process. We have several different lines of defense to try to keep things that would make us sick from getting all the way to our taps for our consumption. The multiple barrier process includes things like source water protection, which really boils down to prevention as opposed to cure. If we can keep things from getting into our drinking water to begin with, then we don't have to worry about treating those. We also have several different processes throughout our treatment plants: coagulation and settling, filtration, disinfection, all of these different processes, maintaining the integrity of our distribution systems. It doesn't do us much good to treat the water to a very high level if we have issues with our distribution systems. So as we look forward through the rest of the post this week, we've talked a little bit about the Safe Drinking Water Act and the limited time we have, but we want to share with you Aurora Water's journey over the last 50 years, the 3 drinking water facilities we have, our commitment to continuous improvement and optimization, and our look ahead in doing research to stay at the very forefront of science and public health protection. Thanks for your time.